In this video, I will show you how to create a multiplication table in Excel very quickly and easily like this. So let's get started. Let's start by entering values 1 to 10 in the first column. Type 1 in the second cell of the first column and then drag the cell down from the bottom right corner to row 11. Select the fill series option by clicking this button to have numbers 1 to 10 filled automatically. Now type 1 in the second cell of the first row and drag the cell to the right. Select the fill series option again to automatically fill the numbers. I want to create a multiplication table of 1 to 10 numbers, so I will drag the cell up to column K. If you want to create a multiplication table of 20, you can extend the row till column U. Now select all these cells between the first row and column. That is where we are going to generate the multiplication table values. Now type an equal sign to start the formula. Select the first cell of the column and multiply it with the first cell of the row. Fix the cell number of the first row using the $sign before the row number. We also need to fix the column reference using the $sign like this before the column name. Now press the Ctrl and Enter keys on the keyboard to enter this formula into all the selected cells. As you can see, we now have the multiplication table using only one formula. Watch this video to learn how to hide zero values in Excel very easily. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.